Hello. Today we're going to talk about lesson 14, coherence in discourse. So in this lesson you're going to learn what is coherence and how to analyze the coherence in discourse. Let's get it started. First of all, we should analyze what's the objectives and outcomes from this lesson, and you will be able to distinguish between forms of coherence, and you will be able to define them in the text. So by the end of the course, you will be aware about coherence. You will have a clear understanding about its forms, and you will be able to define them in the text. So coherence. So first of all, we should make clear. So make it clear. So what is coherence and how can just we imagine the coherence? Coherence refers to a certain characteristic or aspect of writing. Literally, the word means to stick together. Coherence in writing means that all the ideas in a paragraph flow smoothly from one sentence to the next sentence. With coherence, the reader has an easy time to understand the idea that you wish to express. And here we have connectors or words that we use to add coherence to a writing. What they tie ideas together. Some examples of connectors. For instance, one example of this is first, second, third, and etc. On the other hand, on the one hand, however, but also. So these are the connectors which can just give the meaning between two these sentences in discourse. And here's given one real example. Let's determine if the following paragraph is coherent or not. My hometown is famous for several amazing natural features. First, it is noted for the Wheaton River, river wide and it's wide and beautiful. On either side of this river, which is 175 feet wide, are many willow trees which have long branches that can move gracefully in the wind. In autumn, the leaves of these trees fall and cover the river banks like golden snow. Second, on the other side of the town is Wheaton Hill, which is unusual because it's very steep. Even though it is steep, climbing this hill is not dangerous because there are some firm rocks along the sides that can be used as stairs. There are no trees around this hill, so it stands clearly against the sky and can be seen from many miles away. The third amazing feature is big oak tree. This tree stands 200 feet tall and is probably about 600 years old. These three landmarks are truly amazing and make my hometown a famous place. So, what's your opinion? It's coherent or incoherent? Remember the words in italics font? Do you see how they help guide the reader? For example, consider the words first, second, the third amazing feature. We can call these words major connectors. Major connectors help organize the main parts of our paragraph. This paragraph has three main parts: a part about the Wheaton River, a part about Wheaton Hill, and a part about the big oak tree. Another way of saying this is that this paragraph has three main points, which are indicated by the major connectors. Using such major connectors is an important way of providing coherence in the paragraph. So therefore, our paragraph is coherent. What about the other words in italics, such as those appearing in the phrases, these trees, this hill? We can call these minor connectors. Minor connectors provide coherence to a paragraph by connecting sentences within each of the main parts of your paragraph. That is when you write about your main points, you can use minor connectors to link your details to each main point. So in coherence, we should consider the word or term unity. Unity is a very, very important characteristic of good paragraph writing. Paragraph unity means that one paragraph is about only one main topic. That is, all the sentences, the topic, supporting sentences, detailed sentences, and sometimes the concluding sentence are telling the reader about one main topic. If your paragraph reader, if your paragraph contains a sentence or some sentences that are not related to the main topic, then we say that the paragraph lacks unity, or that the sentence is off topic, because unity is divided into four just given the sentences like main topic, supporting sentences, detailed sentences, and concluding sentences, because they are just comes together, they are coming together, and they are called unity. The second example, determine if the following paragraph is unified or not. Each of the Russian manned space exploration projects had specific major goals. For example, the Vostok project was designed to test whether or not human beings could survive and function in outer space. For another example, the Voshkot project was intended to find out whether people could work in weightless environment of space. One Voshkot cosmonaut experimented with weightlessness by taking a spacewalk. That is, he floated in a spacesuit outside his Voskhod spacecraft, connected to it by a tether. The cosmonaut to do this was Alexei Leonov. Several weeks later, Leonov's spacewalk was followed by the of U.S. astronaut Ed White. Finally, the Soyuz project with three cosmonauts had goals of testing spacecraft and spaceflight skills so that people could fly long missions in Earth's orbit. So, in your opinion, this paragraph unified or not unified? So let's get it analyzed. This paragraph is generally good, but the sentence, several weeks later, Leonov's spacewalk was followed by the of US astronaut Ed White, doesn't have anything to do with the major goals of the various Russian space projects. That is, it is an off-topic sentence. So we can say that the paragraph somewhat lacks unity. In order to improve this paragraph, we should omit this sentence even though it is historically accurate. So, congratulations! You have learned what is coherence today from the lesson Coherence in Discourse. Incorrect? Please try again. Oh my God. So this is the end of our lesson. If you have any questions, please leave it in the platform, Moodle platform. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.